Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Microsoft Excel. Keeping your software current is crucial for accessing the latest features and maintaining strong security. We will cover both manual and automatic update methods, ensuring your Excel application runs smoothly. You will learn to navigate the update options and troubleshoot common issues, making the process straightforward and efficient for everyone. To manually check for updates, first open any Microsoft Office application, such as Excel. Look for the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen and click on it. From the menu that appears on the left, select Account or Office Account. Then, under Product Information, click Update Options and choose Update Now. This will prompt your software to search for and install any available updates. For a hands-off approach, enabling automatic updates is highly recommended. Within the Update Options menu, simply select Enable Updates. This setting allows your Microsoft Office applications, including Excel, to download and install updates automatically in the background. This ensures you always have the most current version without needing to remember to check manually, saving you time and effort. If you encounter issues while updating, don't worry, there are a few simple steps to troubleshoot. First, confirm you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, a quick restart of your computer can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, consider repairing your Office installation through your computer's control panel. As a last resort for persistent failures, reinstalling Office can often resolve even the most stubborn update issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.